In today's video, I'm going to teach you how non-US citizens can try to activate Shopify payments, along with some important insights you might need to have along the way. If you're venturing into the world of e-commerce and considering using Shopify to power your online store, understanding how to activate Shopify payments can be a crucial step, especially if you're not based in the United States. First and foremost, the possibility of activating Shopify payments largely depends on whether your country is supported. Shopify's geographic eligibility for this feature is a vital piece to consider. However, if your country isn't directly supported, you may still have an opportunity if you have a business registration in a country that is. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin, and once you're there, navigate to the Settings menu. From here, look for the option marked Payments. This is your gateway to managing all things payment-related on Shopify. Once you've arrived at the Payments section, you will notice a couple of options depending on your current setup. If you haven't activated any card provider yet, you'll see a prompt that says, Complete Account Setup. However, if you're transitioning from a different provider, you'll find a button labeled Activate Shopify Payments. Click through to begin the setup. At this point, it's crucial to have all your documentation ready. Fill in all the necessary business information accurately. This includes your banking details, relevant tax information, and valid identification documents. Attention to detail is paramount here. Any discrepancies can lead to delays in the verification process. Be thorough and double-check everything before proceeding. Once you've completed filling out the forms and submitted all your documents, the next step is to save your information. Then, you'll enter a waiting period while Shopify processes and verifies your details. Bear in mind that Shopify may initiate a manual review of your documents, which can require additional time. Patience during this phase is key. Before wrapping up, there's one last thing to ensure. Double-check that your store's currency is accurately set to align with your business operations. Additionally, it's a good practice to enable security measures such as two-step authentication. This not only enhances your store's security, but can also streamline operations by ensuring that approved users have the right level of access. There you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to activating Shopify payments, provided you meet the necessary eligibility requirements. Whether your aim is entering a new market or simply optimizing your existing transactions, setting up Shopify payments could be a game changer for your online business. Thanks for joining us today, and good luck on your e-commerce journey.